Good afternoon, this is my shaman oracle reading for this Saturday, the day before Christmas. Welcome everyone. I'm reading a short reading for each zodiac from the Sacred Self-Care Oracle deck. And we start with Aries. Welcome Aries. You got the card Spend Time with Animals. Say this mantra: animal guides are present in my life, providing protection, sharing wisdom, and pointing me in the right direction, and teaching me the ways of unconditional love. The association between animals and spiritual guidance has a long history. Animals are known for their ability to share wisdom, send us messages, and be our guardians. If you have pets, spend some time with them and give them lots of extra affection. Allow their unconditional love to give you joy. If you do not have pets, get creative about how you can spend time with animals. Visit a friend or a family member who has pets, or go outside to observe cute little critters in their natural environment and watch funny cat videos, for instance, and volunteer at a local shelter and foster an animal pet sit for a friend, or call in an animal guardian during your next meditation. Keep an eye out for animals showing up in daily life, and such animals, they come around and you can spot maybe a bird, a snake, a frog, or a dragonfly, or even a spider. Take a moment to go within first and find out what that animal creature means to you, or under which circumstances you have encountered them before. And then look up the meaning of the animal in ancient wisdom teachings for additional guidance on what is its appearance to mean in your life, and trust your intuition when decoding the message this creature holds for you. Ask this: what is my fondest memory of connecting with an animal, and why? Why did this animal come around so you could connect with it? Ask this question. That was your reading, Aries. It's getting dark here. I'm sitting under a lamp, and well, my classes are not so good anymore, so I try to read it without making too many mistakes here. I hope you liked it somewhat. And Aries, I wish you a most wonderful holiday season. Spend time with family and your friends, and well, have fun, okay? Take care. I shall be back after the Christmas holidays with my usual shaman oracle readings. Thank you very much for listening, and goodbye.